called the considered response. Let me give you an example of the considered response. Works like a charm. Beautiful tactic. A few years ago, maybe like 8 years ago now, I was selling a couch on Craigslist. And I was asking like $500 for this couch, and the next day this lovely couple came to my house, and they sat down on the couch, they liked the couch, and they said, Tony, we're going to offer you $400. I could have said, no, that's crazy, I'm not going to take $400, but what I did was I used the considered response tactic. I picked up a pad of paper and a pen, and for the next 5 minutes, all I did was this. $400, okay. Hold on 1 second. $1, okay. And I felt like an idiot. And I was scribbling. That's all I was doing. I was scribbling on a piece of paper. But I decided, you know what, for the next 5 minutes I'm going to commit to this. And I was just scribbling and, okay, hold on 1 second. And they were just looking at me like they didn't know what the hell I was doing. And then after about 5 minutes, I was scribbling on a piece of paper. I put down my pad of paper and my pen, and I said, I'm so sorry, but I can't do $400. What message did that send to them? Yeah.
That you actually can't because you thought about it.
Yeah, I did calculus for 5 minutes. Of course I can't, right? Yeah.